Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic: old floor sanding. In the next few minutes, we'll discuss what it is, its importance, and the benefits of using BJAPT floor sanding techniques. Old floor sanding is the process of removing old paint, varnish, or finishes from floors to create a smooth and clean surface. This process is often required when a floor needs to be refinished or repaired. It can also be used to prepare a floor for painting or adding a new layer of protection. The importance of old floor sanding cannot be overstated. It is crucial for maintaining the longevity and appearance of your floors. By removing old layers of finish, you are allowing the new layer to bond better with the underlying wood or concrete. This not only ensures a stronger and more durable finish, but also helps prevent staining and fading, which can happen when new layers touch old layers. BJAPT stands for Best Job Appropriate Technique. This is a principle that is followed in the floor sanding industry to ensure that floors are sanded to the highest standard possible. Using BJAPT techniques not only means that the final result is better, but it also ensures that the process is safer, faster, and more efficient. There are several BJAPT floor sanding techniques that can be used, including the following. 1. Spiral sanding. This is a slow, continuous sanding motion that removes a large area of floor finish at once. It is perfect for removing thick layers of finish or for sanding large areas such as halls and stairwells. 2. Crosscut sanding. This is a fast, random sanding motion that removes small areas of floor finish. It is ideal for preparing floors for painting or refinish and is often used in conjunction with other BJAPT techniques. 3. Swivel sanding. This is a high-pressure sandpaper system that spins at high speeds to remove floor finish. It is best used for delicate surfaces and is not recommended for large areas. In conclusion, old floor sanding is an essential process that helps maintain the appearance and longevity of your floors. By using BJAPT techniques, you can ensure that your floors are sanded to the highest standard possible and that the process is both safe and efficient. So, if you're in need of floor sanding services, consider choosing BJAPT for the best results.